Ruffalo. Brianna, some cooler temperatures our way?
We have cooler temperatures. We have some fog again this morning. And so you might get a little mist outside, too, if you're stepping out this morning. But also just be careful because we have even lower visibilities. It looks like at least more of it this morning compared to yesterday. So we do have some dense fog advisories in place. And again, it's another morning where we just don't see much from our camera here over into Burbank and into the valleys. And it's cold, too. So just be careful driving if you can. Leave a little early if you're heading out the door to work or school this morning because it's going to be a little hard to see in some areas. We have visibilities under a quarter of a mile or less. That's when we see those dense fog advisories issued. Little more visibility from this particular area and angle over into Long Beach, but we have plenty of areas throughout LA, Ventura counties where we do have some really dense fog. Now, why we're seeing all these changes, you can see on Live Mega Doppler 7000. A storm hitting Northern California. It's an atmospheric river. It's going to fall apart by the time it reaches us in SoCal. But we're talking about several factors, not just the increase in fog, marine layer, cooler temperatures, some drizzle. That will start possibly as early as tonight. But then we're also talking about high surf and the potential for some moderate coastal flooding when we typically see some water moving into the parking lots, into areas during high tide. So we're going to talk about all these impacts. It looks like we might see more impacts from a different storm next week, and we'll talk about that coming up here in just a little bit. I'll show you what it's looking like for now. Still a ways out there, though. All right, Tony, back to you.
Okay, thanks, Brianna.